It's funny 'cause I've always dreamed of me and you. Now here we are, staring at the stars. You just broke my heart, even though you promised you'd never do that from the start. But I guess we can only make it so far, 'cause time wasn't in our favor. This isn't goodbye, this is simply see you later. Let me know when it's time to come back. Maybe when your life is on track and you don't have to hesitate. Hopefully it isn't too late. Luckily for you, I'm patient. I'm okay with you making me wait, and as long as you're near, I'll be here, even if it takes 10 years.
I'm still in love, no I can't lie. I tried moving on, I tried goodbye, and I still can't sleep at night. I see the stars, I miss your eyes. Where in the world are you tonight? And why am I not by your side?
'Cause time wasn't in our favor. This isn't goodbye, this is simply see you later.
Congratulations, Sir Ronald, and good luck and God bless sa bago mong journey papuntang US. We love you!
Hello kasayan, Sir Ronald. Thank you for always mentoring us. Thank you for your motivation. Thank you for the friendship. And I look forward for a more successful career. God bless you always.
Hello, Sir Ronald. Congratulations. May the good Lord bless your next journey. So stay healthy, stay happy. We will surely miss you. God bless.
Congratulations on your retirement, and thank you for being the coolest working head in grade 11. Best wishes and congratulations, and good luck for your next journey in the land of milk and honey. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Sir Ronald. Good luck to your new work sa US. Ingat ka lagi. Mamimiss ka namin. Yung samahan natin sa office, mga baon mo, ang dami-dami. Mga lokohan natin. Walang sawang tawanan kapag nandun tayo sa office. Good luck and God bless. Sana hindi ka makakalimot.
Sir Ronald, thank you po sa lahat ng mga memories na sinare mo sa amin, the kindness, the friendship, and the teamwork that bring us together for 2 years. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng support. I am very much happy po at you're already going to US for a new adventure. God bless you and more blessing to come to you and to your family. Bon voyage!
Hello po, Sir Nald. Maraming salamat po for having the opportunity to work with you. Especially that you are always a blessing, lalo po sa aming mga grade 11 teachers. Kaya ngayon at aalis ka na, you are leaving us. We are wishing you well. And as you know, embark on a greener future ahead of you. Ingat ka po lagi and always be a blessing and caring person po to everyone.
Sir Ronald, congratulations po and happy early retirement. Sa inyo pong pag-alis, dalawang feelings po ang mararamdaman namin mga taga-CCS, lalo na po kami sa Admin. Isa na po dito. Unahin po natin yung malungkot. Malungkot po kasi kami mawawalan po kami ng isang asset na guro. Isang pinagmamalaki ng CCS. Isang gurong mahusay, produktibo, positibo at objektibo sa bawat aspeto ng pagtuturo at sa pakikisama sa amin. Pero magiging masaya pa din po kami dahil alam namin marami ka ng taong natulungan, maraming mga bata, estudyante na ang nabago mo ng buhay. At hindi ka na namin makakalimutan dahil dun sa at alam ko sa pagpili mo sa bagong journey na tatahakin mo, mas maging maganda, mas maging masagana at magiging mas masaya ang buhay mo. Congratulations, sir. Good luck and God bless.
Congratulations, Sir Nald. Timadik malipatan kini Sir Nald kit yung incident wherein nahuli niya akong nandoon pala ako sa likod ng klase niya, no? Vacant ko kasi that time, then klase ni Sir Nald. Siguro nakakalahati na siya ng discussion. So, I've been there enjoying his class. Ang galing magturo ni Sir Nald. Actually, sumasagot nga ako sa mga tanong niya, no? Then, nung natuklasan niya na nandun pala ako, niadagayon ti si Ok ko na. Then, he kicked me out from Kuya's Big Brother's house. So, kidding aside, I personally witnessed his passion in teaching. Ang husay-husay po ni Sir Nald magturo. Hindi maboboring yung klase niya. Then, from time to time, he will insert jokes related, of course, to the lesson. And aside from that, isa sa hindi namin makakalimutan sa office ay yung napakasarap na chili oil ni Sir Nald. Every time na gumagawa si Sir ng homemade chili oil niya, surely merong dadaling sa office. Sa sobrang sarap, gusto namin bumili. But every time na magtatanong kami kung magkano, sa nga 10 pesos ka numit, may sa nga butter. Kasi ano detan nga. So, datatihan mi nga malipatan kini Sir Nald. So, congratulations po, Sir Nald. Good luck to your future endeavor. And please be healthy always. May sapigayam, sir. Size 38. Thank you so much po.
Hello, Sir Nald. Congratulations, sir. At na-meet niyo na po yung American Dream na tinatawag po ng madaming Pilipino. No, sir? Na malaking sakripisyo man yan para sa ating pamilya, at least at the end of the day, sir, is maganda yung kakalabasan po ng sakripisyo niyo. Thank you, Sir Nald, at naging mentor po kita sa start pa lang ng senior high school, sir. Nakasama na po kita at nakita ko po na sa bawat atake niyo po sa lahat po ng aspeto ng pagtuturo, sir, is napaka-chill niyo lang. Sa pagtuturo niyo sa mga estudyante, napaka-chill niyo po sa pakitungo niyo sa mga co-teachers nyo. Sobrang chill nyo lang, sir. Napakasarap mong makita, sir, pati na lalong-lalo na, sir, dun sa pag-aalaga mo sa mga anak mo, na kahit babae, dalawang babae sa lalaki ang anak mo, sir, is napaka-sweet mo sa kanila, sir. Talagang nakikita na ako at that moment, mga sir, yung mga ginagawa mo yun, sir. At yun, ginagawa ko na po. Naglalalay na po ako ngayon, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, yun nga po. Salamat po sa lahat ng tinuro mo po sa akin. Kahit hindi verbal na diretsong tinuturo mo sa akin. Yung mga actions mo, sir, towards everything, sir, is na-observe ko po and thank you at na may malaking impact po sa akin yan. Salamat sa lahat, sir. Congratulations, sir, and God bless always, sir.
Hi, Sir Ronald. Thank you for your guidance, patience, and kindness as our grade 11 team. We will truly miss you and we wish you success and happiness on your new journey. God bless you always, sir.
Hi, Sir Nald. I am truly happy for this new chapter in your life. Though may konting lungkot kasi mababawasan na ng fashionista sa Sissy Sash. Thank you for always being supportive sa lahat ng classroom projects and activities namin. Deserve mo po lahat ng blessings and opportunities na dumating at darating pa sa iyo at sa iyong family. Ingat ka po palagi, Sir Nald. And mamimiss ko yung mga kwentuhan natin pag dumadaan ako sa bahay ninyo at kapag nagkakasalubong tayo sa school. Know that you're one of my favorites na kuya, karuba, and of course, kumpare. Kayong dalawa yan ni Sir Rodel. God bless your journey always. I wait. Pahabol. Don't forget na inaanak mo si Cody. Bye!
Far 'cause time